Meghalaya Post.news.
Keyboard badik khmieh ya ka SOS Children Village Umiam daga sngi daga jingkmen ka khraw kilayo ban pynlong ya ka jingrakhe ya ka lyngkhuh Snem kaba artusan Snem lani ka jubili rupa ha ka jingiaid lynti ban shakri ban synniang na bynta ban ban sumar ya ki khnyah ki bomdon nongpeit nongkhmieh shuh lani ki balong khun swet ha ka ka sngi jong ka jingkmen lawan ban ya kmen lang bat ka SOS do ba pol lengdo ubade menteri ka sarkar jala Meghalaya ha ka jingadon laru usamanta kar CEO ka SOS Children Village India kinori nong sumar ki khnyah bat kinong ilam jong ki kunhon paper Usamanta kar CEO ka SOS Children's Village India ulaparia halo ka jingiaid lynti jong ka SOS kawe na ka kunhon tremon sobha ka balajet ya ka kam ban shakri ya ki tu khnyah ki bomdon shuh ki nongpeit nong sumar ya ki watla nadu balaseng ya ka SOS ka jingiaid lynti kilaha ban mat sibun ki jinge andre da ka jinglen lade jong barok ki khot kila lapat ban jam shau mau mer ba artusan Snem bat bakinang ya beteng ya ka jing shakri na ka menta ka baha kamiat jong ka imlang ka salang nadu balaseng ya ka house Snem arhajar ka SOS Children's Village kala nang jam saprang ban ai jing shakri ban ban sumar ya kumba shispa samsan ngot ki khnyah nadu ban airu ya ki jingikai ba khongsan ya ki khnyah kumka supervise independent living SIL program ka bala kershan ya ki rupsan ngot ki khnyah bala khamsan ban hikai ya ki kumno ban kershan ya lade dalade bat banlong kita ki khnyah ki ba imba ka imlang salang bat kumba shispa prangot ki khnyah ki la pendep ya ki jingikai na lor ki we ki jing shakri la penpu penpingru ya ka program lekmen jong ka jubili rupa da ka jing simenta ki khnyah ka SOS ban yarwai ban shan na lor ki program tenrai bo per
of Agriculture, kaway ka khun, kabalong manager ha kaway ka resort. Tadon ki khun, katukat nengut, kibatray ha ki hotel management, armut ki khun, kibalahi ka school, armut ki khun, kibatray nurse, don kaway ka khun, kabatray kam lajong, kum katung katem, don kaway khun bade, kabatray ha kaway na ki company. Teka basu kemen yang ka khmieh bangayo iway khun ibadang saw sngi bakha bayap no ka khmieh bat mardor hap Islam yo lem kumta ndon jingkmen ka kum ka jing batai jong ki doktor na po dekhni hospital mentau tau khna uap ya ka resort matrik bat day iba binot iba kloy ban ay kasnam yaw taw kulong kublay sibon ba binot ya kajib sibon ba kayo teka ktien ka ong habadon ka jingied hangtadon ka jingsuk habadon ka jingsuk hangtadon ka jingkmen.
There are moments in life where everything seems lost, when the world feels too heavy and the future seems like a distant dream. I've lived those moments. I've faced the darkness of abandon, the pain of loss and the silence of loneliness. But then something remarkable happened. In the last months of the year 1999, I was brought to SOS family. For me, it was more than a shelter. It is my home, a place where I was seen, heard, and most importantly, loved. My mother, which I lovingly call me, did not just feed or clothe me. She believed in me. She gave me a second chance at life. And that is something I will never truly repay.
Meghalaya, Shillong in particular, I'd like to take a few moments to properly introduce Shillong to you. Shillong is the birthplace of John Sheffield Barron, the founder of the ATM. He was born here at the Robert Hospital, Shillong in 1925, and this is his centenary year. The celebrated writer Arundhati Roy was also Shillong born. For you, some of you who have come from West Bengal, Tagore wrote 3 of his best-known works, including Shishir Kavita, when he was in Shillong. Virat Chaudhary wrote his autobiography of an unknown Indian, where he dedicated one whole chapter on his childhood at Upper Shillong. And to those of you who are not familiar with Meghalaya, the geological age that we live in today is called the Meghalayan age. And this is because of the findings at one of our caves in the Cherrapunji region, the Momlu cave, which determines the geological age of the earth that started 4,200 years ago. So this is Shillong, this is Meghalaya, and I'm proud to say that hearing these youngsters and the mother narrate their experiences here takes me back to my days as a student leader when I had visited SOS even before I was elected to the State Assembly back in the early 99-2000. And since then, I have always taken time out to share some moments with you, knowing that you all are persevering, you all are leaving no stones unturned to change the destiny and the lives of so many around us. It is a strange world where somebody not linked by the accident of birth can actually care, can be a pillar of strength and support to totally unknown children. And this is the basis on which you have built SOS. I'm proud that your activities, as have been highlighted here, the basket of care solutions. And I look forward to seeing, as we discussed when we had tea earlier, I'd like to see a formal proposal being put forward by SOS so that we upscale the activities and continue to support you in your various endeavors.
That we had with the support of many of our friends, the government of Meghalaya, the people of Meghalaya, many donors, together we could achieve this dream into reality. More than 350 children from Shillong villages, they have been graduated and leading a very, very self-reliant life as a contributing member of the society. While we started this program as a family life care program for the children, those who have lost parental care, in a family life care environment where a mother who is known as SOS mother takes care of 8 children. And under the loving care of the mother, the children they grow, and after their schooling and education, they go to various vocational and professional courses, and then they join the mainstream of the society. We ensure that the children, when they grow in a SOS family, they grow with love, respect, and security, and each child should have minimum senior secondary, at least one employable skill job before they move out from the program, good communication in English, IT skill and social skills which will navigate them to join the mainstream of the society. So our mothers, they play a very, very critical role and pivotal role for the holistic development of the children. While we started this program with the support from government of Meghalaya as well as the people of Meghalaya, they supported us for the last 25 years for the program. Over the years, we have also developed new basket of care solution because every child requires different care setting. So we have started a program called kinship care program, foster care program, and family strengthening program. Under the kinship care program, we have children, those who have lost parental care, but their relatives provide the care to the child, and SOS provides both skills and the financial support to enable the caregivers to take care of their children so that each child under the kinship care become a self-reliant, strong individual. In our family strengthening program, we ensure that the most vulnerable families are identified and they are supported with various services so that the children continue to stay with the parents and their basic rights are addressed, whether access to school, education, health, nutrition, and also the living condition of the parents also improves through various livelihood skills, linking them to various social benefit schemes. We also built a partnership with the government of Meghalaya for foster care program, where foster parents are identified by the government and the children are placed by the government, but then we as a technical partner build the capacity of the foster parents, build the capacity of the children, preparing various individual care plan, and also provide some financial support and technical supports for the children as well as the parent for the better upbringing of the children. The whole program, our effort is that the children grow in a loving, caring family environment. Our attempt is that each child should grow in a bond, with a bond, so that they become strongest of themselves. SOS Children Village in Shillong has made great progress in last 25 years. We congratulate our mothers and team in Shillong for their remarkable work, and we also expect and that in this occasion they also renew their commitment further working towards the children in Meghalaya. In SOS India, we are working in 22 states in different parts, and more than 85 children we are supporting annually through our basket of care solutions.
MeghalayaPost.news